Bull Express than Red Bull, but at least we've made the German border.
Just have to watch out for the German gunning places.
Hoos has joined me in Germany to seal the deal. German Eugen can be picky when it comes to trucks, but I'm told the person we have to impress is actually his wife Stephanie, for whom the truck is a present. How romantic. Is that them?
Yeah, look. Oh yeah, it's coming. Build it up, boys.
Stephanie's your dream come true. Your husband has supplied you with the beautiful soft top that he's always promised you. Eugen, you wanted something that was completely done. It's proved, look, new canvas, new tyres, it's got all the equipment on it. Stephanie hasn't said anything yet, but she does have a sneaky smile on her face. So you're going to drive it then, Stephanie?
I've got the wrong shoes on.
Oh, who should lend you, Peb? So do you like it, yeah?
Yes, I like it. It's amazing.
It's amazing, she says. And look at that grin. Eugen's got to take it now, which means the blessed Berghetzer is all mine.
It's perfect, yeah? Bruce, absolutely perfect.
So that's a deal, yeah?
That's a deal. It's perfect.
Now, admittedly, it would take years and about 150 grand to get this Berghetzer up to snuff. But even with shipping costs, I'm still looking at a 200k plus profit. Where there's muck, there's brass. Eugen, one little problem. We've got a plane to catch. Any chance on this to the airport?
Yeah, no problem. We drive for GMC. Come on! We got a plane to catch!
Now, how to thank who